Alright.
Okay, thank God. Ignore that Diddy blood, okay?
Hi. We are doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge. I'm making a strawberry cake. Of course, I'm blind. No, not blind, deaf. She's blind. Isabella will be mute. Oh, and there is Morgan's blindfold right now.
Hey, bro.
Yes. This is the cake challenge. We're making a strawberry cake. Except we don't really know the recipe. We just Gemini'd it, and we're just using the ingredients we already have. So hopefully it turns out good. All right, we're starting now. Oh my god, I actually can't see anything. Okay, so this is the bowl. So this is the pan. Lisa, are you putting the camera? Oh, she can't talk.
All-purpose flour. One. Are you following? One. Oh, you can't see me. 1.25
1.25 of what?
flour.
Flour. I got you. Stop. I got this. Guys, Okay, another scoop. Yes. Hey, jeez. Oh, we need more. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we got our flour. What is it?
What's she doing? That is what I need. It's a pretty one.
It has all the dry ingredients, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna hit you. This smells like sugar. So much ISO.
4 ounces.
What are we doing?
She doesn't even know. We're baking cake, Morgan.
Yeah, no.
Are you sure that's the way to do it? Melt it. That is melted. In here. She'll miss you.
Bless you.
Hey, not the butter. Ew. Oh my gosh, I'm oily.
Remind-
Don't see anything.
That one hurt, Isa.
My hand.
I saw.
Hand.
Bro, I'm gonna be. That one.
Put the butter in.
Sugar. Dry ingredients
Put
in
it
it.
down, you're gonna spill.
This is the sugar guy. The sugar guy. Which one is it? It's you, isn't it? It's you!
I like tall boys. She's baby booing.
Isa, where did you go? I know you slapped me. That wasn't very kind.
You seem to not have eyes, Morgan. Did you half it?
Bracelets we got at Claire's. Hers is purple.
What are we doing?
We're showing off our. Yeah.
Why is she caressing me? Ew. What are they doing?
Until it's like a flour-like consistency. Why is she planning an attack on me? Like, where's my ring? We have to take a little break because Morgan's camera almost died and we
Washed.
Oh dear.
20? But what? Oh my, this is quite the strawberry.
I'm going to drink this early.
It's like it's 6 and 1. You calling Morgan deformed? Her face. Otige. TS is a banger. What is going on here? It's like sensual.
Where's my you
Me.
are cutting
Yes.
the strawberries. The strawberries. Cutting the
The
strawberries.
fruit. Yes.
Yes. That are gonna go in the cake.
What was that?
Morgan. Yeah. Hold. Oh my gosh. Help me. She's chasing me.
Baby Boo.
I almost hit my head. Why was everyone gonna tell me?
Oh, teamwork. Twist it. Way. Settle it. What are you doing? Stop touching me with my hands. I don't want to see here. What is it? Fresh so steak. You can smell it when you see it.
It's too liquidy now that we've added all the jello, so we have to add more flour now. So we had a reason to pause.
Morgan.
It's more like Iselberg Morgan, but sure.
Oh.
Nom. Yeah? Mix. I'm gonna mix it.
Where did she go? Where?
I said that's hot. That's just stove.
Stuff. That's the stuff, guys. Oh, we are in the neighborhood.
And she just learned to twerk.
The neighborhood. Neighborhood. Morgan, I am making fun of you. You just threw a towel at me. Who is doing that?
I'll cut a hard strawberry for you. Yeah? Yeah?
Loud.
I spit? I'm sorry. Okay. Isa is gonna put the things in the oven. The baked goods are out of the oven. It's a little cracked, but it's okay. Biscuit. Be pie. Okay, so this is our cake. Cake-ish. Cake, more like pie. Okay, everyone. Okay, this is the bite. Cheers. You gotta crouch down. The cake. Ah. It's so weird. It's just like Jello, but like mixed. Yeah. Oh. Isol is gonna take home a kind of deformed cake, but that's okay because who cares about shape really? What do you think about being the mom and leaving first?
Well, not all of us can have sleepovers, Morgan. Morgan munches.
Here, I give you a wooden spoon.
Biscuit, come jump on Morgan. Jump.
This scared me. Hi, Biscuit.
I am going.
Oh, you're so cute.
I'm going to my other dog.
Biscuit. And so the bum is leaving.
The bum cubes.
Aww. Aww. She's bye. Go. Bye. Bye, Munchie. Bye. Wait. Bye. Oh. Love you. I'm gonna stay with Munchie. Bye. Bye.
Adios.